Hey friends, want to root your Google Pixel phone, but your phone's bootloader is locked? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can unlock your Pixel's bootloader and root your phone easily without any errors. This method works on any Android version, including Android 14, 15, and 16, along with any Google phone like the Pixel 6, Pixel 7, Pixel 8, Pixel 9, and even the Pixel 10. It's safe, simple, and completely beginner-friendly, so stick with me till the end. And here's the fun part, we're doing this without a PC. Yes, you heard that right, we'll be using our secondary Android phone as a PC to complete the entire process. So if you don't have access to a computer, this tutorial is perfect for you. Now, before we jump into the steps, just a quick heads up, unlocking the bootloader will wipe all your data, so make sure to back up your important data first, and then let's unlock the bootloader. So first things first, we need to enable developer options on your Pixel device. To do that, open your phone's settings, scroll all the way down, and tap on About Phone. Now look for something called Build Number. It's usually at the bottom of the list. Once you find it, tap on it 7 times in quick succession. After the 7th tap, you'll see a small notification pop up saying, "You are now a developer." That's it. Step 1 is officially complete. Now, head back to the main settings page, scroll down again, and open System. Inside System, you'll notice a brand new menu called Developer Options. This is what we just unlocked. Tap on that, and here we need to enable 2 critical toggles. First, OEM unlocking, and second, USB debugging. Once both of these are enabled, congratulations, your first major milestone is achieved. Now for the next part, you'll need to download the factory image specific to your Pixel device. Open any browser and type Pixel Factory Images in the search bar. Click on the very first link that appears and it'll take you to Google's official page listing all available Pixel models. Find your device. In my case, I'm using a Pixel 6a, so I'll select that one. If you're using any other Pixel, whether it's the 5, 7, or 8 series, just download the one that matches your exact model. Once the file starts downloading, be patient and wait for it to complete. If you've already downloaded it beforehand, feel free to skip this step and transfer this downloaded firmware to your any secondary Android phone. Okay, now it's time to boot your phone into Fastboot mode. To do that, power off your Pixel completely. Once the screen goes black, press and hold both the power button and volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding them for a few seconds, and boom, you'll see your phone boot into the Fastboot screen. This is where the actual magic begins. Next, you'll need a secondary Android device. It can be any phone that supports USB debugging. On this phone, open any file manager you prefer and extract the downloaded firmware that was transferred. This may take some time, so be patient. Once it's extracted, open that folder and extract the available image files, zip again, and wait for the extraction to complete. Now, open it up and locate the init_boot.img file. If it's not present, no worries, just select the boot.img file instead and copy it to a safe folder where you can access it easily. On that secondary phone, install an app called Bugjaeger. It's available for free on the Play Store. This app essentially turns your phone into a mini ADB and Fastboot tool, which is exactly what we need. Once installed, connect both phones using a Type-C to Type-C data cable. Make sure it's a high-quality data cable, not just a basic charging cable, because proper data transfer is absolutely crucial here. When you connect them, you might get a few pop-ups asking for permissions. Make sure to allow all of them. Once the connection is successfully established, you'll see a command interface at the bottom. This is where we'll be typing our Fastboot commands. First, type Fastboot devices. This command checks whether your Pixel is properly connected and recognized. If you see a serial number appear on the screen, perfect. It means everything is working as it should. Sometimes it might not show up immediately. If that happens, no worries, just replug the cable and try the command again. Now let's unlock the bootloader. Type the next command, Fastboot flashing unlock. As soon as you hit run, your Pixel will display a warning screen saying, "Do not unlock the bootloader." Don't panic at this point. Just use your volume buttons to navigate to the option that says Unlock the bootloader, and then press the power button to confirm your selection. Once that's done, your Pixel will automatically reboot. And congratulations, your bootloader is now officially unlocked. Alright, we're halfway through the process. Now, after your phone reboots, go back into Settings, then About Phone, and once again, tap on the build number 7 times to re-enable developer options. Then navigate to System, then Developer Options, and turn on USB debugging again. Perfect. We're back on track. Now, we'll move on to the actual rooting process. Open your browser again, search for Magisk official site, and download the latest version of the Magisk app. Once the download finishes, install it on your Pixel and open the app. Now you see an app section with Install button. Click on the Install button and wait for the complete installation. Inside Magisk, you'll see an option labeled Install. Tap on it, then choose Select and Patch a File. Now navigate to the folder where you extracted the factory image earlier and select the boot.img file. Magisk will begin patching it. This process might take about a minute, so just sit back and let it finish. When it's done, a new file will be created in your download folder. It'll be named something like magisk_patched.img. That's the file we'll be using to root your phone. Now, transfer that magisk_patched.img file to your secondary phone, the one with Bugjaeger installed. Once that's done, reconnect your Pixel in Fastboot mode just like we did before. Now in Bugjaeger, we need to run the following 2 commands, one by one in order. First, type fastboot_a magisk_patched.img and select the Magisk patched file and hit enter. Then fastboot_b magisk_patched.img. This process flashes the patched boot image onto both partitions of your Pixel device. Once both commands are executed successfully, type the final command, fastboot reboot. Your phone will reboot automatically, and then boom, you've now got a fully rooted Pixel phone without ever touching a PC. Pretty incredible, right? After your phone boots up completely, open the Magisk app again. You should see a checkmark or confirmation message indicating that your phone is successfully rooted. If you want to double check and verify, install an app called Root Checker from the Play Store. Open it, tap Verify Root, and you'll see the confirmation message. Congratulations, this device has root access. And that's it, your Pixel phone is now fully rooted, and the bootloader is unlocked, all accomplished without a computer.